How much longer can the iPhone 13 Pro Max from 3 years ago still be used? This iPhone 13 Pro Max has been in use for nearly 3 years. Currently, the battery is not lasting long. The speaker and earpiece sound is also low. This phone was sent in by a local customer. The customer asked for help in replacing the battery with a high-capacity one. They also wanted the sound issue fixed. It was mentioned that their requests are standard operations for us. Next is the entire process of changing the battery. Replacing the battery. A high-capacity battery cell is used. A brand new zero-cycle small bore cable is soldered on. This way, there is no need for complicated charging and discharging cycles. It can also release all the capacity in the battery cell, showing real health at 100% for iOS 18.1 and above. This allows for the best experience of the high-capacity battery's endurance. If the battery of their phone is also not lasting, and battery health is around 85%, they can place an order in the bottom left corner of the video. After ordering, choose the nearest store for replacement. We are a national chain with refined repair and standardized procedures. This brings a different experience. Thank you.